Hi, today we're going to take a look at the MS300 table saw from Wood-Mizer. The MS300 is a solid precision table saw with large capacity and a minimal footprint, making it ideal for any workshop. The cast iron base and wide sliding table enable you to achieve high accuracy and repeatability, cut after cut. With a large cutting depth, a 45-degree tilting capacity, and large rip capacity, this saw is ideal for the professional workshop. The cast iron construction enables sturdy and stable operation. The sliding table moves on a series of ball bearings for very smooth operation, and it's all supported by this cast iron base. The angle and height of the blade can be precisely adjusted. The board fence is micro-adjustable when you need that extra precision. The angled fence on the sliding table can be positioned on either side of the table, depending on whether you need to push the wood with the fence or against the fence during the cut. Various options and accessories are available for the MS300, such as the Suva blade guard, table extensions, and more. Chip extraction is located under the blade, and the blade guard can be connected to a chip extractor as well. Additional material clamps and circular blades for various kinds of material are also available. If you need a compact table saw but also need truly professional accuracy and dependability, the MS300 is the table saw for you. Visit Wood-Mizer online or contact your local Wood-Mizer agent in order to get yours.